It's a brisk morning here in Colorado. It actually just got done snowing. But here's the latest delivery by SVI. It's a Haz-mat unit for Columbia, Missouri. It's on a Sutphen chassis, tandem rear axle here. And it's got awnings on both sides so you can see how much shade that provides for rehab operations and just shade in general, I guess. We'll start here in the back. The back compartment here has just got a bunch of open storage. Got the stairwell there. So what's kind of unique about this compartment is it's got the below frame level storage. So here's the frame level, and it's got all that storage underneath there for an overpack drum, and just some open storage above that. Above each tandem axle is just a 1,000-pound transverse tray, so it'll go out either side. The compartment's not open on that side, so I can't push it out that side, but you can get the point. Same thing here, except for this is a there's just two one-directional trays here. This just comes out and stays out. You got a little outlet there, and you got some water drains, so when there's water on the doors like there is here, you don't get all your tools and stuff wet, and all the water drains down into there. In front of that, got even more open storage. You got a doubly deep SCBA bottle rack with a bottle grabber here. Got a 150-pound out and down tray with outlet strip up above there. And a 400-pound slide out tray, also with a outlet strip above there. And just some open storage up on top. In the very front compartment, you got some couple cord reels. You got the awning controllers there, and you got another 1,000-pound transverse tray, as well as a couple LED flashlights and the 12-volt panel in behind there, and the command light controller for the light tower up on the roof. So you can see there the whole street side of the body there. This truck has got power arc LED lights on it, which are kind of interesting. We've never done those before, but you can kind of get a look on what those things do and how they look and how they work. Here's another one of them. And here's some on the front. You got green ones too. You can see the light bar up there. It's got a couple of little moving lights there, as well as a 120-volt brow light, as well as some more LEDs there on the corner. In the back of the cab, we've got a little command area with just a couple office chairs and whatnot in here. You got some connections for phone and audio, video, and network. Little radio faceplate there, just that's blank. Got a computer monitor. Same thing over here, just some audio, video plugins, phone jack, some 120-volt plugins, and keyboard and mouse up there. And full width custom built L desk, some cabinets, and a magnetic whiteboard back here, and it's got a secondary AC unit, and that's the cover that drops down and covers the door when the door's closed, so there's no chance of a chair rolling off into the hole. And then pretty much the same setup here on this other side. You can see the 120 volt area and the cab tilt there. Like I showed you earlier, got an awning on this side as well. Here's the other side of the compartment with the SVI module. Nothing too special here, just some open storage, and it's got vertical exhaust. You'll see the exhaust here in just a second. And here's the other side of that one directional tray that is on the other side, just 1,000-pound tray with some open storage above that there. And now you can see the transverse, so it comes out this side, but it'll also go out the other side as well. So that's how those work. And finally, the last compartment here, just got a couple shelves, adjustable shelves, and looks like there's an outlet there. So, and then I'll show you up top here. Got a Class 3 receiver hitch, all the trailer hookups, as well as a long storage in there. And then you just have a ton of open storage up here. You can see all the compartments. There's the vertical exhaust. Got the light tower there. So you can see there's a ton of open storage here. And the reason that the compartment beside this one isn't as deep is that we have a little long equipment storage compartment in here. You can see in there. So that way you can still store equipment down there and on top of it as well. So, anywho, hope you enjoyed this latest delivery by SVI. It's going to Columbia, Missouri, and it should be there any day. See you next time.